The Chrysler Building is an iconic symbol of New York City and one of the most recognizable skyscrapers in the world. The building was constructed during the height of the Art Deco movement in the 1920s, and it stands as a testament to the engineering and architectural skill of its makers. The Chrysler Building was commissioned by Walter P. Chrysler, founder of the Chrysler Corporation, and it was designed by architect William Van Allen. The project began in 1928 and was completed in 1930, making it one of the tallest buildings in the world at the time. The design of the building was inspired by the Chrysler Corporation's signature radiator cap, which was a hubcap shaped with vertical bars. This motif is repeated throughout the building in the form of stainless steel eagles, and it is also reflected in the zigzag Art Deco ornamentation on the corners of the building. The Chrysler Building was also noticeable for its use of materials like chrome and steel, which were relatively new and innovative at the time. The building's steel frame structure enabled it to be taller than other buildings and to withstand the force of high winds. Despite being a symbol of hope and progress in the 1930s, the Chrysler Building's ownership has changed hands many times over the years. It was sold multiple times from the 1950s to the 1990s and was eventually purchased by a group of investors from Abu Dhabi in 2008. Today, the Chrysler Building remains an iconic fixture of the New York City skyline and continues to inspire awe and admiration in visitors from around the world.